Hey, what's up, all you awesome YouTubers? I hope everybody's having a great Saturday. Mine has been somewhat eventful as far as doing some cool things around the house and getting some new equipment set up. So, yeah, it's been fun. A little bit hot, but that's okay. So, if you're just starting out or you want to start out on YouTube, do you think that maybe because you're small or you really have no following, that you have nothing to offer and that you can't compete with these big channels out there? Well, you're wrong. And it's often referred to as imposter syndrome, where you just feel like that you see these big channels doing what basically you're doing. And so you feel like you can't compete and that you can't bring any value to YouTube. And that's absolutely incorrect. I fell into that trap myself when I first started. And I had to quickly realize that, there's billions of people that search on YouTube every day. And there's people out there that want to watch your content. You just have to present it to YouTube and the algorithm in a way that it understands what you're doing, who your audience is, so then it can take your videos and put it in front of the right people. And there will be people that will watch it. I, again, fell into that trap when I first started. And then I quickly realized that there's people that want to watch my stuff. There's people that comment on my videos saying, "Hey, I saw your video. This is great. It really helped me, keep it up, et cetera, et cetera." So it's important to understand that you're a unique person. I'm a unique person. We have unique outlooks. We have unique experiences, and we can all bring something unique to YouTube. So don't compare yourself to these big channels, because if everyone did that, then no one would start YouTube from scratch because they would feel like they can't compete. And that is just not the truth. It's important to understand that individuality is a key component to what you have to bring to whatever it is you're doing. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, it doesn't matter what platform you're using. And so you just have to go out there and do it. The key thing is to make sure that you are creating videos that are for the audience that you're wanting to speak to, that is clear enough for the YouTube algorithm to understand what the video is about, because then it will be able to put your video in front of the viewers that want to watch it, because that's what they're searching for. So, for example, this channel here is dedicated to helping people start on YouTube and use affiliate marketing to generate some additional income, whether it be just a side hustle thing, or whether it be a replacing lost income, or maybe you want to use YouTube to completely replace your income and it be your sole source of, your earnings. That's awesome. And you can do that, but you have to follow certain steps. But I just wanted to let you know that you're unique. Your individuality is going to set you apart. Your individual experiences, nobody else has but you. And the way you look at things, nobody else looks at them like you do. And especially those of us who are Gen Xers or, 40, 50, 60 that are wanting to get started, that are hesitant because you feel like, I'm too old, or, I have nothing to say, or, there's so many of these awesome people out there, these big channels. No one's ever going to, watch my videos. You just have to get out there and do it, because there is no better time than now to start YouTube. Honestly, the whole creator market is just going crazy because people are searching for what you want to record and put videos out. So you just have to make sure the videos are clear and concise, that the algorithm understands what it is. The audience that you're wanting to actually target or speak to understands that that video is actually for them. It's important to do your keyword research. It's important to do your niche research to make sure that the content you're putting out is lined correctly with the niche you want to be in or need to be in. So all those things are important. And in the description, there's going to be a link to a PDF that I created. That's a really simple guide to help you figure out what your niche should be And it also gives you some of the top 5 most popular and trending niches that are on YouTube right now. And you can see if maybe one of those fits the content that you want to put out. But even if it doesn't mean you don't fit in. It just means you fit to a different niche. These are just going to be some of the top ones. And you're going to have something that's going to be unique that nobody else has brought. So you could actually start your own niche, but you just have to make sure that it's very clear what it is you're trying to produce. Like my tech channel is all about technology, and I can't put travel videos on my technology channel because the algorithm is going to get confused, and so is my audience. So I have to make sure that my technology channel is dedicated to technology products. So it's very important to make sure that you just kind of stick to what it is you want to do and not try to veer away. There's a lot of people that you watch their channel and it's so random, and then they wonder why they don't get any views or it's not growing, is because nobody understands what their channel's about. And you have a whole different subset over here searching for this. You have these people here searching for that. And it's all confused. And so you have to have clarity. That's one of the key things. I'm going to be putting out my next PDF here real soon. I've just got some finishing touches to put on it, and I'll put a link in the description once that is ready. And it's going to be some more helpful information as far as getting you started in this whole process. Originally, when I started YouTube, it was with my tech channel, and I wanted to, monetize the channel, start earning some, additional revenue. Some say passive income. It's passive in the fact that once you get monetized, your previous videos can earn you, income without you actually going back and doing anything. But there was a discussion. I was watching a podcast the other day with Sean Cannell, and I forget the gentleman's name, but he says it's not passive income, it's leveraged income. And I thought that was kind of profound, actually. Passive doesn't mean you don't do any work, because creating videos, editing videos is work. Sometimes I put hours into videos by, all the editing that needs to be done. Some are real quick and easy. I like the ones I do, like in my car on the way to work. I don't really do any editing to those. They're not intended to be. It's a vlog. It's a, hey, this is me. I'm just kind of speaking what's on my mind as I'm having a few minutes on my way to work. This kind of talking head video here is going to require a little bit of editing to, clean up some of the pauses or, some of the, errors that I might have made. But it takes work, but it's fun work. I have really, really enjoyed it. And I now have 2 monetized channels, this and my tech channel. And the tech channel is actually doing pretty well. I'm earning almost $2 a day, which doesn't sound like a lot. It's really not a lot, but it all starts somewhere. Like when I first got monetized, I was like a few cents a day. So now I'm up to $2 a day, and it's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. So that's kind of the point of it. I got on Amazon Associates, and I've been able to sell a lot of products through that affiliate network, because on my tech channel, I review products, and when people click the link and they buy it, then I earn a commission. And that's kind of the point. This channel has some affiliate links in the description. One of them is Greg Gottfried's course, where he does have information on how to get started on YouTube, but the course is really geared towards specifically targeting how you do affiliate marketing and using like print on demand and things like that. And I can tell you that it's extremely valuable. It's well worth what you pay for it. And my coupon code gives 25% off. So, go check it out. If you really want to get started in this, you really want to get serious about educating yourself and putting yourself in a position where you're going to be able to kind of take control over some of your earnings, then you need that course, because he goes over things in depth as to how to get started, what to do, how to configure things. And it has helped me tremendously to get where I'm at right now today. Now, I also joined Video Ranking Academy, Think Media, Sean Cannell program, and it has been absolutely fantastic. I'll put a link to it in the description as well, so you can go check it out. But man, there's tons of free information too, but these courses go like just, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps deeper into the process. And they really make things very clear about exactly how you do things, why you need to do things. And it is a foundation that is going to be extremely helpful as you move forward. If you're really serious about starting a YouTube channel, getting it monetized, you're wanting to earn affiliate income, it's paramount to have a good foundation. And that's what both of these courses give you, an excellent foundation to build on. And look, if you want to, run some things by me, or if I can help you in any way, please don't hesitate to hit me up in the comments and I will definitely get back to you. I'm actually considering putting together a course, more of a coaching. I find that there's still a lot of people that are really confused as to even some of the basics of getting started with YouTube. And, again, I don't have years and years of experience on the platform. I mean, I've been on YouTube for a long time, but I haven't really started creating content on YouTube except for the last year. But I've learned a tremendous amount that I can definitely pass on. And I want to help people succeed at this because it's been a lot of fun. It is making me money, not a tremendous amount, but it's growing. And that's kind of the point. This is not a get rich quick, process. This is a journey. It's not a destination. You just keep going, keep going. One of the biggest things that Think Media, Sean Cannell talk about is getting 1% better with every video. And if you just keep getting one little thing better each time you do a video, pretty soon you're going to have all your ducks in a row and think it's going to be so easy. You sit down, create your video, do some editing, get it posted, boom, you're done. You'll get your thumbnails created, titles, descriptions. There's tons of AI tools to help you do that. I have an entire process that I use with Gemini and or Chat GPT that helps me create my titles and descriptions based off of my actual video content. So, you can turn your video into a written transcription. Then you take that transcription and you can have the AI algorithms basically read it and then come up with, very specific points of your video that you can turn into written content, like titles, like descriptions, like keywords, things like that. So I'm considering doing a little bit of a coaching offering where I can help people get started. I can show them some of these paths that I've taken to get to where I'm at and how I'm moving forward. I can show them some of these little shortcut tricks that I've learned that save me a ton of time and do not cost it any money or maybe a little bit of money, but it's well worth the investment. So just kind of keep an eye on that because I'm going to see if I can't get that put together. I think it would be extremely helpful. And I have a lot of value to offer, even though I've only been creating content for a year, I can tell you, if you go back and look at my old videos on my tech channel, it's terrible. And then you come to the videos now and you can see the progression and how the channels have grown and, just how much better they're presented. I will tell you that, there's things I spent money on that I didn't need to. There's things that I should have redirected that money into something else. And I can definitely tell you some of these pitfalls to avoid and, what would be the best route to go. So I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend. And I'll be back Monday with my little off to work, vlog videos. I just find that to be really fun. It's actually a little therapeutic going to work and, instead of wasting time, I can be productive. And if you want to go check those videos out, go look at this playlist right here and you can watch all the previous vlogs on my morning motivation is what I call it. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up because that's what tells the old YouTube algorithm that you enjoy this content. And I really appreciate everybody watching, commenting, and engaging. It really means a lot. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.